This is a RUUD Ultra Series air conditioner that I am going to convert to a heat pump inspired by Hack-Free HVAC YouTuber. This is an 18 SEER AC with a communicating system. The communication systems has been upgraded, so I can no longer buy another unit without having to replace my furnace, my thermostat, which is also expensive, and the outdoor unit. So this unit has been very good to me in my house as far as energy costs. So I'm going to go ahead and convert this, keep my communication systems going, and keep my inside units without any change. So this unit here, I've already, well, let me back up a little. It has two compressors, 1 and 2, and then it has a control board for each. So these boards have a memory module right there, which holds the program. So if I change that module from another system, like a heat pump, I will upgrade or change the programming in here and have it, work for me in this system. So it's a 4-ton unit. RUUD produces a 4-ton heat pump in 16 SEER version. That's their max efficiency. So we'll see if we can get, copy some of the stuff that's in that system and transfer it to here. That one is a single compressor. This one is a dual compressor. So, we'll see how that'll come into play when we design it. This here is a thermostat for this unit. And you can see there's an indoor unit on it and an outdoor unit on it. Click on the outdoor unit. And here you can see the status and the cool setup. There's no heat in this whatsoever. So when I change the memory module, I should have a menu for heat. First thing I did was order the boards, because some of these boards on these units come that are already capable for heat pump, but this control board was not, and so I ordered a new one. I was missing this relay on the original board and this one over here on the original board. So and then I ordered the memory module, is what they call it. This is where all the programming is stored. So this is the part number I ordered, and previously it was this part here. Right there where it says RES, those are the reversing terminals. Okay, so the air conditioner is running in the AC mode, and I'm going to check power on the reversing terminals, and I got nothing. So the reversing terminals are over here, as you can see. And we'll switch it to the heat mode. So here's the thermostat in the cool mode, and I'm going to switch it to heat mode. Well, I think I'm going to switch it to off because I want to let it rest for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 7 minutes. Let's turn it on into the heat mode. Done. There it says heat mode. Let's increase the temperature. Okay. Okay, the unit is running, so let's check the voltage on the reversing valve terminals. Really that. And we got 27.17 volts, 27.18. Cool. We know the control board's working. I do have an error code here, and 83. So it's because I don't have the OCT sensor installed yet. Here you can see we have that fault. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off since I don't have all the things installed yet. Okay, so I'll remove this module so I can have heat while I wait for physical parts to arrive and, install them. So here it goes. There's that. And then the original memory module. Alright. Power the unit back up. Or okay, remove my module. Let this thing initiate. So here it is with this thing back with the AC only chip in there, unit information. And there you go, it says ASL, which means it's the AC only unit. So this here is the diagram of my condenser coil circuits. So the black lines are the existing coils, pathways, and the red lines are the new ones that I will be putting in. So this down here at the bottom is the liquid line, and it goes off to a coil, and I intend to put a check valve across it so I can isolate the refrigerant in here, because in heating mode I don't need as much refrigerant. So I calculate this to be about 43 ounces. That'll be cut off from the system, and then from here it branches off into, or tees off into, two coil circuits, which individually branch off to another 3 coil circuits. So I will be putting in the TXVs here, because if I put one here, then it's not going to work properly. And if I alter these coils, then my AC will not work properly. So I got to do it this way. And then on suction line here, we'll break this, put in a reversing valve, and the discharge side of the compressor, we will cut that and put in a muffler and attach that to the reversing valve. And we'll also add a charge compensator in here that'll hold up about 24 ounces of refrigerant. So all this together should be able to isolate enough refrigerant that I should not have too much head pressure in wintertime. Alright, so let's go out there and build this. It'll be in part 2 of the video.